What's going on everyone? Welcome back to a new video. My name is of course Paul. We've got the new Z Fold 5. If you've been watching any of the videos, we've done a quick short unboxing followed by checking out the new Pataka case, which is unbelievable. That's been my go-to case now over the last few days. But now what we've also done is picked up the new Spigen GLAStR EZFIT for the front screen, so I can stop getting little smudges and stuff all over that screen and make sure that I do not scratch it, because I don't think the front pieces for these cases do much protection, especially from stuff that's going to be in your pocket. Like obviously I carry two phones in one pocket. That needs to change this year. We're looking at moving to a different pocket or maybe a bag, and I don't want to put keys in there and get a screen all scratched up. Something new coming to the channel later on in the year. But Spigen GLAStR EZFIT, flip it over, easy installation, real glass, oleophobic coating. Fantastic, the oleophobic coating, 9H surface hardness, and Spigen case friendly. Now unfortunately we don't have any Spigen cases just yet. Hopefully we'll grab some in. So let's go ahead and take this out the box. It does have tape on it. Here it is. Let's go ahead and slice this inside the box. Okay, so you get two of these inside the box, so I can keep one safe in case anything happens, and that seems to be it in the box. So you get your installation kit right here, so we'll take a look at that in a second, and then you get your thank you for choosing Spigen and your guide on how to do it. Obviously you're not going to need that because you're going to watch this. Let's pop this open, and there should be a number of products in here for us to take a look at. So you've got two lens and screen cleaning wipes, you've got a microfiber to clean that screen, dust removal stickers, 2 sets, and how to remove bubbles with the squeegee. And there it is, the squeegee. This is all we're going to need. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to place one of these as well out the way, and we're going to use this one. What we're going to do is we're going to put the phone here in the middle, because the camera lenses are on this side of the phone, so it is a bit wobbly on this side, but not to worry, this should work anyway, it's fine. Let's go with the lens and screen cleaning first. Now normally I would use my normal Zeiss wipes, but obviously I got told off recently in some videos for not using the ones that's supplied. You know, obviously that's what most people are going to end up with, it's just the ones that are supplied, not my fancy Zeiss wipes. Which is, you know, fair enough, that's fine. We'll use the ones that are provided to show you guys. Take your screen and cleaning wipe and go over that screen, get rid of any smudges, any fingerprints, you know, any bits of dust, debris that's on there. Take it all off and make sure that screen looks like the day you took your phone out of the box. Place that to one side because we may need that again very shortly. Just make sure it's nice and clean. You're not going to want anything that's going to upset putting the screen protector onto your phone. So next up I just like to dab it with the microfiber. I know it doesn't say to do that, but I just like to take off any of the wetness, you know. I don't want it to be too soaking wet when I'm applying this, and I do want a nice squeaky clean screen. Okay, place that to one side. You're going to get your dust removal sticker. You can take any of them. I like to use the big one, just so that you can fold it over between your middle finger and your thumb, and then you're just going to dab over that screen, take off any little bits of dust that may land on it. Place that over onto the thing again, because you may want it again. You know, just keep a little eye on any bits of dust that you think may settle. Looks good up to now. So then what you're going to do is you're going to peel off the orange backing paper off your screen protector. Where you're going to see where it says top and the arrows pointing up, GLAStR EZFIT on the bottom. Then you're just going to place it over the phone like so, stick it on. You're going to press it number 1, and then you're going to slide. Now I like to do this a few times. You don't have to do this, you only have to do it once if you want to. I like to do it just a few times, just press in and slide, and then just give it 30 seconds to adhere to the screen. Then we'll take it off and we'll see what it looks like. So give me 30 seconds and we'll be right back.
A few moments later.
Okay, so then what you're going to do is, see where it says remove from here, you're going to peel this up just like so, and then you're going to peel it off the screen protector. Take it nice and slow though, because I've had some of these ripping past, so nice and slow. And there we go, let's take that off. Let's place that to one side. Then you're going to pop up your EZFIT tray. As you can see, we've got one bubble right there, one right there. Everything else seems to be okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my squeegee. I'm just going to gently go over it to try and remove them bubbles. That one has gone. Let's go with that one. But don't forget, these might not be your actual protector. It might be the layer that's on the top, so just bear that in mind. But if you want to try and remove it, then give it a whirl. You know, makes life a bit easier for yourself. Because obviously if it is on that screen protector, the last thing you want to be doing is prizing it with this and maybe causing micro abrasions. So best off to give it a whirl while you've still got the protector. Obviously you can use your fingers as well, that works just as well as the squeegee does. Looks pretty good. Can't see any more bubbles at the minute, but you can take one of either ends. There's 4 ends here, so you just take one, peel it up, and there we go. We have got one right at the very top here, but you're just going to push that down, make sure it adheres to that screen, you know. Looks really, really good. So let me unlock the phone and show you its touch responsiveness. Really nice and responsive, no issues at all, nice and responsive. And closing it down, as you can see, looks really good. That front screen is now fully protected. I suppose really, you know, I haven't got a Spigen case, but maybe I should show you it with a case fitted. So let me show you with the case fitted before we end the video. So I'll take the front piece, I'll put the front piece on first. Now I haven't took the sticky label off yet, I am actually going to do that. Now I've got the screen protector on. So there we go, that's what it's going to look like with the case fitted. No issues, no razors, sits perfectly with the case. You wouldn't even know you had a screen protector on. So as you can see, probably most cases are going to work with the Spigen EZFIT screen protector. So there it is with the case fitted and the screen protector. So let me know if that's any good to you guys. It looks really, really good. I'm really quite happy with that. And now my Z Fold 5 is now fully protected. So let me know what you think of that in the comment section down below. That's how easy it is to fit. Looks great. I'll show you it obviously outside right now, show you what the colours are going to look like, whether it's dulled out. I do want to check out a privacy screen for one soon. Hopefully they make one. Fingers crossed there's going to be one coming soon. But thank you guys so much for watching. I truly appreciate it, as always. Spigen did not send this out to me. I purchased this myself, so you're going to find my affiliate links linked down below, so I can tell you guys exactly how it was, how it went, and how easy it is to fit. Spigen products are amazing anyway. You know, I don't need to tell you guys that. Many of you buy all Spigen products. So be sure to let me know what you think in the comment section. My link will be down there for you guys to check out in case you want to pick this up for your Z Fold 5, and I think they do one for the Z Flip, so I'll leave that down there too if you want to check that out. But thank you guys so much for watching. Like if you liked it, subs if you loved it, turn those notifications on. I'll see you in the next one. Take care guys.